Hey friends, today I'm checking out the Yoyofit Slim Kids fitness tracker. Picked this up off of Amazon. You get it for around $30. I'll leave a link in the description below. So doing an unboxing here on this. Alright, so far this thing is waterproof. It monitors different things, sleep, calories, burned, things like that. Oh my. Okay, so in here we have the watch, and my goodness, that is like a novel. Can you see that? Hopefully it's in different languages. Okay, looks like there's Spanish in there, and then okay, several different languages, yes, but still quite a lengthy little manual there. I think the first wow, I'll try to see how many pages are here of the English so far. So it looks like we're running into 18 pages of manual, so it looks like quite detailed. Some come with not a whole lot of instructions, so there's that. What else is in here? So it has the Yoyofit support. Came with this, help spread the word. There's that. And a little tutorial on how to disassemble the band, and also charging. Okay. Alright, so charging. Let me see what it says about charging. Take the band host off from the side with the USB logo. The metal pin port is for charging only. I don't see a... Oh, you just plug this into the USB port maybe. Okay, so this little watch here, that's interesting. See, I'll figure out how to take it off. The band host has a certain arc. Please pull it out along the protruding direction. Pull left and right. Do not pull straight away. Okay, so to disassemble this, to charge it, kind of pull down a little bit. There we go. So it has this, that's interesting, as the little USB. Apparently I just plug that into a USB and it'll charge it. It shows a little base here, but I don't have a base. It didn't come with it. Now I don't know if it's supposed to come with one or not, but anyways, mine didn't, so it probably is not supposed to. Alright, let's see if I can't fire this thing up here. It gave a little beep there. Okay, so it's showing the steps. Press the button again. It has a little heart monitor. I don't know if you guys can see that a little bit. And then this is for sports. It has a little window thing there. Okay, it's 1:29 Saturday, so it's off a little bit. I'm pretty sure I just like most of these, you have a little app that you download and it syncs everything to your phone. So alright, so that's kind of interesting. That has the charger here. I'll go ahead and put that back on there. Okay, that goes on there pretty good. Okay, let's see how well this fits here. So this is supposed to be waterproof, and let me see here. See if I can't put this on here. Alright, so this is comfortable. I have pretty small wrists, so we still got two more holes here that I can adjust to. So that looks not bad. Let's see if I can't. It says I'm at 24 steps already, so it's obviously movement, and I'm monitoring my heart right now. It's at 0. I wonder if I hold it down or not. anyways, this unboxing, I'm just kind of getting familiar with it, kind of go show you guys what you get in the box. And then I wear it for a while, and I'll be doing a review, obviously, and all that. So I'm pretty comfortable. And yeah, looks like I have a little bit of reading up to do in the manual. Make sure I know how to use this thing thoroughly. I'll come back at you guys with the review shortly, but that's what's in the box. So thanks for watching this unboxing of the Yoyofit Slim Kids Fitness Tracker, and I'll be doing a review soon, so guys, hang out there and wait for that. So as always, I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.